Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this pre-registered 108 collection. So this car features 15-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that's got 72 horsepower. It's only done delivery miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.